Bharatiya Janata Party Chicago chapter celebrates BJP's victory in Delhi elections at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois. Dr. Najma Heptullah, former Deputy Speaker of the Rajya Sabha and former Minister of Minority Affairs, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The Bharatiya Janata Party's sweeping victory in the Delhi elections sparked jubilant celebrations among the Indian diaspora in Chicago, showcasing their unwavering support for Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership and vision for development. The event, held at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois, and organized by the Overseas Friends of BJP, brought together community leaders, party supporters, and distinguished guests in a display of unity and enthusiasm. Dr. Najma Heptullah, the former Deputy Speaker of the Rajya Sabha and former Minister of Minority Affairs, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Her recently published book, In Pursuit of Democracy Beyond Party Lines, was launched at the event. With Rekha Gupta assuming leadership as Delhi's new chief minister, the celebrations in Chicago signified not only an electoral victory, but also a renewed commitment to transparency and effective governance. Attendees expressed optimism that the new administration would usher in an era of progress, accountability, and inclusiveness, instilling hope for a brighter future in Delhi.
रेखा जी को मैं बहुत पहले से जानती थी क्योंकि वो महिला मोर्चा में थी और इलेक्शन जीती थी असेंबली के तो अभी उन पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जिम्मेदारी डाली है ऐसी दिल्ली की जो उनके बर्बाद करके रखी थी पहले भी सुषमा जी को बनाया था और दिल्ली अच्छी चल रही थी अब उन्होंने रेखा जी को बनाया जैसे मैंने कहा था कि रेखाएं पार करनी है उन्हें मगर मुझे उम्मीद है कि शी विल बी सक्सेसफुल वो रेखाएं जो उनके रास्ते में आएंगी वो पूरा करेंगी और दिल्ली दोबारा से हाँ दिल्ली जो भारत का दिल है वो दिल दोबारा से धड़कना शुरू कर देगा.
This astonishing and resounding victory of Delhi is actually it's not just a victory; it's a testament for the leadership, vision, and development, which is actually slogan of BJP. The BJP means vision, leadership, development. So we from here, from North America, a lot of volunteers came forward and worked very hard, and they called friends, families, and make sure that this time we should not miss anyone, so that everyone should go and work. And we did a lot of videos and calls and making sure that we choose some 6 or 7 constituencies and constantly working, and we make sure that at least people will know they will go out and work. People of Delhi really have faith in the development, and they've seen how BJP is really doing in double engine states, and they have faith in BJP. I want to give this victory to citizens of Delhi for believing and bringing BJP in power.
दिल्ली का ये चुनाव वास्तव में ऐतिहासिक था और दिल्ली को जैसा आप सभी जानते हैं इंद्रप्रस्थ भी कहा जाता है और वास्तव में ये लड़ाई सत्य और असत्य की थी. पिछले 10 वर्षों में जो प्रपंच, झूठ और जो दिल्ली का विकास होर्डिंग्स पे टंगा हुआ था, उन सबको दिल्ली की जनता ने और जनता जनार्दन होती है एक शीशा, एक आईना दिखाया है और अहंकार का पतन हुआ है. और मेरा ये विश्वास है कि दिल्ली को अब 27 वर्ष के बाद विकास और economic growth की डेवलपमेंट देखने को मिलेगी.
All NRIs are very very happy actually because we got this victory after 27 years. So that is very very long time. But in long time भी जो आपने जो काम कुछ किया ही नहीं है. There is a lot of pollution in Delhi. There Yamuna river is very bad. Lot of other things. There is no industrial growth. I think only Sheesh Mahal ही बना है. तो वो सब we are trying to improve. And also what happened is It's very simple thing they have not done is they have not even changed the name of the Akbar Road, then other road like Akbar Road, Shahjahan Road, Aurangzeb Road. Those names nahi chahiye. NRI wants first is the change the name. It takes only 1 minute to change. So they should change that one, and also Yamuna River change cleaning and all those stuff. Those things will be happen, and already they started. That is very good actually, and very very happy to know that BJP is won this time.
The Chicago celebrations reinforced the Indian diaspora's deep connection with India's political and democratic evolution. The event served as a testament to the community's unity and its continued engagement in shaping the nation's future.
जहाँ सत्ता हिंसा